Hey there, my friend. My name is Hugo Fernandez, founder of Just Digital Inc. and author of the Client Acquisition Blueprint. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple differences between Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and when you should use them for your business. So, Google and Facebook are the two biggest advertising platforms. Combined, in 2019, people spent over $200 billion in Google and Facebook ads. They are the behemoths of online advertising. Yes, you have advertisers like Microsoft, or formerly Bing Ads, LinkedIn Ads, Pinterest, Twitter, all these different platforms, but they not even come close to what you can do on Facebook and Google. So they're the two most popular platforms, but they are different, and there are some nuances to both platforms that you should understand. The biggest difference is the intent, or why people are on these platforms. Now, Google owns Google, obviously, and YouTube. Facebook also has Instagram and a couple other apps, but the two predominant ad platforms are Facebook and Instagram ads. So when I say Facebook, I mean Facebook and Instagram. When I say Google, I'm primarily referring to their search product, which is Google Ads. Okay, so on Facebook, people are interacting, Facebook or Instagram, people are interacting with their friends, passively scrolling, seeing updates, seeing things that they're interested in, seeing different topics that they're interested in, and engaging with friends, family, or communities. Facebook has made a big push for Facebook groups and Facebook communities, as well as Messenger, as well as their Messenger product, to be able to connect. But their whole goal is to connect people, and therefore people are passively on the platform and then engaging with people that they want to engage with. That's why they're there. On Google, people are looking for information, tutorials, content, news, weather. They're searching for things. And that is really, really important to understand, because on Google, people are actually searching for your product. So they are actually interested in purchasing your product. So you'll get better conversions, but oftentimes it can be more expensive, obviously, because the quality of the user on Google, when it comes to a commercial purpose, is better. They're more likely to buy your product or your service. On Facebook, costs can be cheaper, but again, because people are passively looking for your product or your service. Now, if I were to go back old school, you can think of Google as the yellow pages. When you need to order pizza, or you need to go on and find a mechanic, you'd flip through yellow pages, you'd find, and you'd go down the list and call the different people based on the listing, right? Maybe they had a coupon, or maybe they had a better ad or a bigger ad that caught your attention, and you would just call and buy the thing that you're looking for. Versus TV or radio or anything else, you were passively engaged in looking at some programming, and then you would be interrupted with an ad, and hopefully that ad made you want to buy that product or that service. So Facebook would be more like your TV or your radio back in the day, and Google would be more like your yellow pages, where those are the intent. A simple example to kind of help wrap all of this up is, if I am a dentist, I could offer immediate services where you come in, same day appointment, and get your toothache relieved, or the bigger packaged Invisalign or cosmetic dentistry type services. Two different buying behaviors. If I have a toothache, I want somebody that's open right now. If my dentist can't see me, I'm going to go on Google and I'm going to find whoever is open, same day appointments. I'm going to go down the list. Whoever can take me first, has the best product and the best service and the best reviews and the best price, I'm going to go to them. And depending on the level of pain, price might not even be a factor. I might be willing to pay more if they can see me like in the next hour, because I have excruciating toothache. So that buying behavior, I'm not going to go on Facebook, read a bunch of articles, ask my friends, who's your favorite dentist. That's not how I'm going to buy. I'm going to go on Google, call, take care of that. Now, if I'm looking for a cosmetic procedure, I'm going to use Google to research, read some articles, but I might also ask my friends, or I might be more willing to download a white paper or a report on all the different options to get shinier, healthier teeth in 30 days or less. And I click that, I put my name, email, and I subscribe to get that information. And I take maybe 3 months, 6 months to make my decision, because I'm evaluating options. The sales cycle is longer. On Facebook, you're marketing content, you're marketing something that is low risk, a low ask, which is also why that lead might be cheaper. I hope this kind of guided your thought process in some of the differences between Google and Facebook. They're really good platforms. I always suggest using a mixture of both and also adding remarketing. I have a video, I'll link that down below, on remarketing ads, but those are the ads that if you've ever been to Amazon and looked at coffee pots and then you start seeing coffee pot ads everywhere, or you're maybe booking a vacation and all of a sudden you see on your Instagram feed an ad from that hotel, that's called remarketing because you've shown interest in that product or service. So when you use Google and Facebook in combination with remarketing, you're gonna have the best results for your advertising campaigns.